Sage Hathaway's back with you again. Another snowy April day on tap here, up here in northern New England. We won't be out here very long, but I just want to take a look out here. And all the flowers are getting covered up with the snowstorm, with another snowy April snowstorm today. And yeah. So today's snowstorm here is it's a little interesting. It had a difficult time accumulating due to the storm yesterday. Yeah. So the storm had a difficult time accumulating throughout the day yesterday because the ground was too warm out. So that's basically why we're having another one today. And this is why, yeah. And I'm going to be posting this second snowstorm video on YouTube here. Shovel going off like that. So, yeah. So we're just gonna film this storm for a little bit, and it's pretty crazy out here. And we're supposed to be in the spring weather. And that plant right there, it's all covered up with fresh snow right now. Just keeping it from getting too wet out here. That's alright. So the storm is a little bigger than yesterday, and it's sticking to the ground much easier today than it did yesterday because of the storm, because the ground was way too warm. But today, it's not having and we may have a plow truck tomorrow morning. Who knows, folks? So, and yes, try to get up high as I can. And we'll talk to you later, folks. Bye bye.